Hi, my name is Carol Barcelos and I am a customer of Ecorattic. Been very pleased with the service I received. The quote was reasonable. It was performed in the time allotted. They came in when they said they would, did not make a mess, cleaned everything up, took care of everything, insulated my whole attic, cleaned under the house and the attic, sealed up all the places, and did it all in the time they said they would. They were in and out in a day, and I was very pleased with the service. Jerry's been very responsive, quick to respond to every phone call I make. Any concerns? I'm also very pleased with the fact that they had a long-term payment program with 0% interest for 18 months, which really made it very helpful and feasible to get this done. So I say, go with Ecorattic, they'll get the job done.